welcome back to my channel. My name is Skylar Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a book unboxing. Okay, so I had just got done doing my brother's hair. He has dreads, so I gave him a retwist. And then I got my books. They're sitting outside on the porch, so I was like, okay, cool. Okay, so I have a love for reading and I love books. So I got this book. This is Ace of Spades. I read this book. This book is like a thriller book, and this book literally kept me on my toes. Like, I could not put this one down. So I think I found my genre. The genre that I love is, my bad, y'all. I think I found my genre. The genre that I love is like thriller mystery books, and that's definitely what this gave. And I love this book, so I couldn't put it down. So I did go ahead and get 2 more thriller mystery books. I just got done reading Will. Just got done reading this. This was a great book about his life and things like that. And the book that I'm reading now is Legendborn. Love it so far. I'm literally only 18 pages in, but I love it so far, and this is the book that I am reading now. I just wanted to show y'all the books that I have. And so I got these from Amazon. Book Talk. So like all of those books I got from Book Talk. Like every book that I have, I got from Book Talk, and these 2 were recommended. I typed in thriller mystery books written by Black authors, and so these 2 came up. This is called White Smoke, and look at the cover. It's about this girl. She moves into this place or whatever, her family, and I guess the place turns out to be haunted or whatever. And I'm really excited to read this book. Like, I'm really excited for this one. And the next book, this is written by Tiffany D. Jackson. And another book that everybody said kept them on their toes was this one right here. This is the one that I'm excited for the most. This one is Monday's Not Coming. It's so cute. It's so cute. So I am going to inspect it because I did get it from Amazon, so I want to make sure that nothing is wrong with it. A lot of people was like talking about like how their book came damaged and stuff like that. So yeah. So yeah, it's not damaged for the most part. And I paid like $22 for these books. I got them both off of Amazon. Let me inspect this one. It's just, you never know, like when you're buying something, you just want to make sure it's good quality. You want to make sure like no pages are ripped out. You just want to make sure that, you know, and especially because it's Amazon, so you just really want to make sure you're getting good quality. So yeah, this is White Smoke by Tiffany D. Jackson, and this is also Monday Is Not Coming. I don't know which one I'm gonna read first, but I'm not even gonna like creepy frightening. I wanted to scream. Mesmerizing punch in the gut story. Bro, I'm ready to read these books, but I still have Legendborn, so I'm going to get through Legendborn first. it's a good book so far. So yeah, these are the two books, White Smoke and Monday's Not Coming. Y'all, I love reading. I love reading. I got in a slump like back when I was a kid because my teacher told my mama that I wasn't comprehending like what I was reading and shit like that. So that really discouraged me. I used to love reading as a kid, but like my teacher, when she told that shit to my mama was just like, you know, make sure you're comprehending what you're reading. Make sure you're reading comprehension and all this other shit. And it's like, bro, like, I understand what the fuck I'm reading. These teachers is just bullshit ass teachers. Like, these teachers are shitty teachers. Teachers in Flint, Michigan, they were shitty. They didn't give a fuck about their job. They didn't care about the students. I went to an all-black school. That school was not a good school at all. I'm not saying like black schools are trash, but this school in particular, this elementary school in particular, was just trash, which is probably why it's closed down now. Yeah, that school was just trash. But since then, I have, you know, got my inner child. I've brought my inner child back, and I have found a love and a passion for reading again. And I just want to say, like, if you have a love and have a passion for something, keep doing it, you know? Like, don't stop. Don't ever stop. Like, don't stop because somebody calls you a nerd. Because, you know, people used to call me like, oh, you're a nerd, you read, like, you read and all this other shit. Like, yes, bro, I read. Like, I love books. So 1, 2, 3. So far I have read 3 books. And yeah, like, I'm on Legendborn now. White Smoke, Monday's Not Coming. Like, I'm excited. It's nothing like just sitting down, relaxing, and just reading a good book. Like, and I love that. And I love that, first of all, I love that Ace of Spades was the first book that I decided to pick up, because this really like put me back into like, I want to start reading again, you know what I mean? Like, this was a really good book. So I don't know, I'm just happy. Like, I'm happy. And I love reading, so yeah. Yeah, so that's it for this video. This book took me a while to find, though. I wanted the hardcover version. So I have a thing, I don't like the bendy books, you know what I'm saying, the paperback. I don't like paperback books because I find they get damaged more easily, you know, than a hardcover book. Like, a hardcover book is gonna like keep its sturdiness, you know what I'm saying, for a long time. But I've had paperback books, so I know what I'm talking about. Like, the, you know, the cover gets like bent, it's easily bendable and things like that. I like hardcover books. This book took me a minute to find a hardcover book. That's how I ended up on Amazon, because I went to Target. They had the book, but they only had the paperback version. Barnes & Noble, they only had the paperback version. I went on another website, they only had the paperback version. I'm like, what the fuck is up with, like, why don't they have the hardcover of this book? And Amazon was the only place where they had that hardcover book. So I just got a comment from one of my fellow subscribers, Regina Gordon. I love her. She just uplifts and encourages me, and it's shout out to you, Regina. Like, I love. Am I saying her name right? I don't know if I'm saying your name right, but if I'm not, you can correct me. But I love your comments. I see everybody's comments. Okay, like, I see everybody's comments. I see everybody's love, and I love that. And I also try to like make sure, even if I don't say anything back, I'll try to make sure I leave a like, you know, because I love y'all. Especially the ones that like continue to show me love, the ones that continue. Shout out to the ones that continue to show me love. Like, I see y'all, like, repeatedly. I see y'all and I love y'all. Like I said, when I start doing my giveaways and stuff like that, the ones that are like that I see the most that have been rocking with me, y'all gonna get this shit first, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna do for like my new subscribers. Of course, I can't leave my new subscribers out, but it's like my day ones hit different, you know what I'm saying? Like the ones that have been here watching me grow, watching and all that shit. Like, I got something special for y'all. Like, come on, stop playing. But anyways, yeah. Like when I grow, because when I grow, this channel grows. So like when I grow, I can start, you know, doing things. Like for example, doing giveaways. And I don't want to do just no like baby ass giveaway. Like I want to do something big. I want to do something nice and generous to say like I love y'all, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, when I get the money, like when this channel blows up and when I get the money, like you best believe I'm going to get back to my subscribers, because that's how much I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Like it brings me to tears how I've created a platform and a safe space for people to come and just like share your thoughts and opinions, because we don't just talk about hair on this channel. We talk about like life, we talk about childhood trauma, we talk about things that we've gone through, like my story times with my family members. We talk about all that shit. So it's like I appreciate every single last one of y'all, and some of y'all even give me y'all stories like in a DM, because it's personal. Y'all will like literally DM me your personal story, and I feel so connected with y'all when y'all do that shit. Like it just, I don't know, it warms my heart. So yeah, this platform is going to be turned into something different. Like I have so much I want to do, and I don't want to tell y'all, but fuck it, I'm gonna just tell y'all. Like I have a business coming. I want to do like a podcast as well. Like, so I want to start a channel where I have a podcast talking about like different things, especially like dealing with like family and childhood trauma and things like that. I want to bring people on. I want y'all to be able to call in and you know, like I'm gonna have a whole, like I don't want it to just, but I don't want to do it now because I don't want it to like just be in my room, you know, me talking or whatever. I want to have a setup, production, you know, people, like I want to have a room, rent a room out, and that be my studio, and like I'm really doing it for y'all. So yeah, that's coming. And then I have my business, my line that I'm coming out with. This is stuff that I want to do, that I have been like, you know, that have been in the works. So yeah, I just have so much I want to do, so much I want to accomplish, and I love that y'all are just here down for whatever, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, because TikTok see all the shit first. Like TikTok, they seeing these book unboxings first. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for rocking with me, and thank you to the newcomers who have subscribed recently. I appreciate y'all as well. And you know, hopefully y'all stay on this journey with me. It's hot as hell outside, which is why my hair is up. I need to find a braider because I don't want to deal with this shit, honestly. Like I don't want to deal with this shit in the summer. And it's already starting, California already starting to show its ass with this heat. And let me just, I don't think y'all understand. This is a lot on your neck in the summertime. I think not. So yeah, bun it shall stay until I find a braider. But I want to find a decent braider. Like I want to find somebody that actually cares about hair, somebody that actually knows what they're doing, and somebody that's not gonna charge me an arm and a leg for a style that I'm only gonna keep for like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. That's ridiculous and ludicrous. And I don't want to do it myself because that's no. This was just stretched. So imagine my hair actually being blow dried. I feel like that's too much for me to handle right now. Like I don't have the mental capacity to deal with this shit. Blow dried to braid it. Like I used to, but now it's like no. No. So yeah, let me know if you have any braiders. If you are a braider and you live in California, let me know. I will drive to San Diego to get my hair done. Like I will drive 2 hours to get my hair done. But if you live in the LA area and you charge decent prices, hit me up. Like let's work, bitch. Period. So yeah, alright, now I'm rambling and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. Love y'all.